If you are still paying hundreds of dollars to UGC creators or spending 3 days banging your head against the wall trying to edit a single video ad, stop. Seriously. Look at this ad on my screen. It has a hyper-realistic avatar, a high-converting script, perfect product B-roll, and it's completely platform ready. I didn't pick up a camera, I didn't hire an actor, and it took me exactly 9.5 minutes to make. In this video, I'm showing you the exact workflow, using Claude as my master copywriter and Creatify as my AI production studio to pump out professional ads on autopilot. Let's get into it. Here's the thing. Most people are burning money on expensive video creators or wasting weeks learning complex editing software just for one decent ad. But their ad flow feature completely changes the game. By using a simple node-based canvas, it lets you easily build high-converting, studio-quality video ads without any editing experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create professional video ads in under 10 minutes, generate multiple variations for A/B testing, and never worry about hiring expensive creators again. I've got the link to the platform in the description below, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Setting up your account. Now, here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting started is literally easier than ordering coffee online. When I first signed up to their website, I jumped straight in and literally went from zero to my first ad in under 2 minutes. I was totally obsessed with how smooth and easy the whole process was. First, we start by heading to the website and clicking that Create Your First Ad for Free button. Then, we can create an account using a Google account or email address. You'll land on this clean and intuitive dashboard where all the tools are ready to go. You've got Ad Flow, which lets you build ads on a simple node-based canvas. Avatar Video for generating smooth, realistic talking avatars. And an AI-powered media buyer that actually helps analyze and optimize your ads performance. Here's what most people don't know. The competitor tracker on the website is an AI-powered ad intelligence tool that actually lets you spy on and dissect your competitors' active campaigns. It breaks down their winning ads into data-driven components, which means you can build your strategy on proven results instead of guessing. Honestly, it's like having your own marketing research team working in seconds. But before we can build the actual ad layout, we need to bring our product into the mix first. Step 2. Preparing your product asset. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, creating and saving our product. When I first asked the AI agent to design my clothing product image, the AI generated a flawless, studio quality image in seconds. I was literally obsessed over how clean and professional it looked. If you already have your own product photos, you can just skip this part. But for this video, we're going to start completely from scratch. We start by heading over to the AI agent chat feature on the platform. We can type our specific product prompt directly into the chat. For example, I'll write this: Premium Sage Green Seamless Activewear Set, Sports Bra and Leggings, Clean Minimalist Studio Photography, Realistic Fabric Texture, 8K. Now we can watch the agent generate the image. Once the AI gives us the perfect result, we can download it to our device. After that, we can click on the product button. You'll see 2 options. First is to add a product with a link, and second is to create manually. Here, I'll create products manually. Next, we can fill in the basic information of our product, from the product name, description, category, and the selling points. After we fill this information in, we can upload our product image and hit Create Product. Here's what most people don't know. Once this product is saved to your library, you can instantly drop it into any completely different ad style or platform later on. It becomes a permanent asset you can reuse for future campaigns without ever starting from scratch. Now that our product image is locked in, we need the exact words that will stop people from scrolling and make them want to buy. Step 3. Crafting the scroll stopping script and hook. Now here comes my game-changing secret, using the AI assistant to write scripts that actually convert. When I started using this tool for my ad scripts, the AI generated hooks that were literally 10 times better than anything I could write myself. I literally stared at my screen thinking, there's no way an AI just wrote something this good. First, we start by opening the AI assistant website, starting a new chat, and writing this prompt. Act as a UGC ad expert. Write a high-converting TikTok/Meta ad script 18 to 20 seconds for a high-waisted, seamless activewear set targeting busy young women and gym goers, 18 to 30 years. For each script, provide the specific pain point solved, script structure, hook, problem, solution, proof, and CTA, and the ideal actor, prompt, and setting. In less than a minute, the AI will generate a complete ad script for you. If it's not exactly what you're looking for, you can easily regenerate it until it's perfect. Once you've got the winning script, simply copy it, and let's head right back to the AI generator website. Here's what most people don't know. The AI actually understands deep human psychology and the exact persuasion patterns that take professional copywriters years to master. It doesn't just spit out robotic words, it literally writes like a human expert who has studied every high-converting ad ever made. The magic really happens when we bring this script into the AdFlow workspace. Step 4, bringing your avatar and ad to life. Now here comes my most mind-blowing part, watching the AI turn text into a professional video with a realistic human avatar. When I first saw the AI avatar speaking my script, the lip sync was so perfect and the voice so natural, I literally had to double check that it wasn't a real person. I was totally obsessed with how realistic it looked. First, we start by clicking on Tools in the sidebar and selecting the AdFlow feature. From here, click on Add a Node and choose the text node. After that, we can simply paste the avatar prompt we got from the AI assistant right into the script box. Next, we can click on the file icon and select our product. Then, we can add an image generation node. From here, we just need to connect both our text node and the product image directly to this new image generation node. We can adjust the settings first. For the AI model, I will go with Nano Banana 2. Next, we can adjust the resolution, aspect ratio, and format. Once everything is set, we can just click on the Run icon. Now that we have our avatar ready for the ad, we can continue by adding another text node and pasting in our actual ad script. Next, we can add a video generation node. We'll need to connect both this new text node and our avatar's image generation node directly to it. After that, we can tweak the advanced settings. For the video AI model, I'll select Seedance 2.0 fast. Then we can adjust the duration of the video, pick a resolution, and set the aspect ratio. Now we are ready to generate our video. The best part about this whole process, this node-based workflow, is completely reusable. Once you have this setup built, you can easily use it as a template. Just swap out the text script or change the avatar prompt, and you can generate brand new video ads in seconds without having to build everything from scratch. Here's what most people don't know. Their avatars are trained on thousands of hours of real human expressions and movements, so they look incredibly natural and trustworthy to viewers.
Every pair promises stays in place. Every pair lies. These haven't moved once. Not during deadlifts, not during burpees, not even during the walk back to my car.
Let's talk numbers for a second. If you hired a professional video production team, you're looking at $2,000 to $5,000 per ad. If you learned video editing yourself, that's literally months of tutorials and practice. With this tool, it's less than the cost of a nice dinner out, and you can create unlimited ads. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. I literally thought the same thing, but here's the reality. AI technology has advanced so much that what used to require entire production teams can now be done by one person with the right tools. But what if the avatars look fake? The avatars are so realistic that viewers can't tell the difference from real people. What if I'm not good at writing scripts? That's exactly why we use the AI assistant. It writes better than most professional copywriters. What if my ads don't convert? This tool gives you analytics and A/B testing tools to optimize performance. What if it's too complicated? If you can copy and paste, you can use this workflow. The benefits are literally game-changing. You get immediate results without waiting for creators or editors. You save thousands on production costs. You can test multiple ad variations instantly, and you have complete creative control over your marketing. Here's what you need to do right now. Click the link in the description below to get started with this tool. Start with one product and follow this exact workflow. Create your first ad today and see the difference professional video marketing makes for your business. If this tutorial helped you, smash that subscribe button because I'm literally obsessed with sharing AI tools that actually work. Drop a comment below with your first ad results. I read every single one and love celebrating your wins. The future of video marketing is here, and you literally just learned how to master it in under 10 minutes. Stop paying crazy money for ads that take forever to make. Your professional video marketing journey starts right now.